Hello everyone, my name is Charmingel Sorunda Colanag, major in Architectural Drafting Technology. Jose Rizal Memorial State University adheres to the principle of dynamism and cultural diversity and building a just and human society. Vision: a dynamic and diverse, internationally recognized university, a dynamic, inclusive, and regionally diverse university in Southern Philippines. Mission: Jose Rizal Memorial State University pledges to deliver effective and efficient services along research, instruction, production, and extension. It commits to provide advanced professional, technical, and technopreneurial training with, with the aim producing highly competent, innovative, and self-renew individuals. Goals: globally competitive educational institution, res- resilient to internal, external, ref hazard, innovative processes and solutions, and research translated to extension engagement, partnership and collaboration with private enterprise, others, yes, government and agencies, and alumni. Some the sales management and participatory governance.